to you, Jatin Raj, Deep Verma, Sujay Chaudhary. Yes? Are you all audible? So, uh, we at Careers360 understand the stress and pain that the coronavirus pandemic has brought to parents or students alike. Yes, students? So, the uncertainty in the scheduling of entrance exam and the lockdown of coaching institutions and social distancing has complicated the matters. So, we as Careers 360 always put the student first to enable you to study while being confined at home. So, we have created an online live coaching package, Mega Revision Marathon. We only seek to enhance your preparation without disturbing your own POA, I mean, plan of action. I hope you understand. So, this series will provide you with in depth revision and content with guidance from our experienced faculties. Okay? So, today, students, I'll be starting with coordinate geometry, straight lines. So you have to understand that a straight line coordinate geometry is a very important chapter. Just a moment, students. It will take me a second. Yeah. So so far as IIT JEE is concerned, especially in JEE mains, initially when the questions were 30, there were around 6 questions which were asked from this portion. Just a moment. Just a moment, students. I'm coming back to you. So I need to see your. So I'll begin. Just a moment, students. Just a moment. A technical snag. So okay. So now, students, let's continue. So we are going to study that our straight line. So let's begin. So we have to understand that in the chapter points, which is the first chapter of a straight line as such, it contains various terms which are related with triangles like centroid, incenter, orthocenter, circumcenter, etc., which becomes very important so far as JEE mains is concerned. And then thereafter, we have in the points chapter as well the rotation of axis and the changing of axis. That also is very important. Hannah, students. So this way, points chapter is very important. And even in points chapter, one very small part is there, that is that is that the polar coordinates. That becomes very important. There were few questions based on locus from polar coordinates, है ना? So you have to prepare very well on that aspect also. And then later on in the straight line, we have various equations of a straight line, etc., and pair of straight lines. So we go to the questions and we try to solve each one of them. Okay. So let's begin. So let's come to the question. Shall we begin? I think you all are ready. Hello. So again, a technical snag, students. Just a moment. This is the first time I'm taking this class online, so please bear with me. Just a moment it will take, है ना? Just a moment it will take. So So, hello students, we are back. A little technical snag from our side. I hope this is okay with you. So, once again, a very good evening, students. So, I think we can go ahead with our session today. So, shall we go to the first question, students? Shall we begin? Great. So, we go to the first question. So, what is it? A triangle has a vertex 1, 2, and the midpoints of the two sides of it are -1, 1 and 2, 3. Then the centroid of this triangle is. I think you are comfortable with the question. Students, please read it and go ahead with the solution. I'll give you exactly 1 minute to do it. Right? So, Sanskriti, Hardik, are you able to get it? Just to remind you that centroid of a triangle, if the vertices of a triangle are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, then the centroid of the triangle is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. है ना? Senthil, no sound. There is some problem. Shreya, are you able to get it? Somrik, Raj, is it okay? D option is true. Okay. I think you need to think it again. D, B. Sai said B. Jatin said B. Very fine. So let's see what is the solution of this. So let's see. Okay. I've already solved this question. Let's see. So Meenakshi, D, you please focus. Ayush, you also. So the triangle has a vertex 1, 2. So we have this vertex 1, 2 here. So this is the diagram which I have already made. This is B. This is C. So I consider the coordinates of B and C as A1, B1 and A2, B2. Okay. So what we do, we actually try to find, our strategy would be to find the vertex B, the vertex C, and then we'll actually find the centroid by the centroid formula. So 1 plus A1 by 2. Now midpoint formula should also be known to you. What is that? If x1, y1 is this vertex, x2, y2 is this vertex, then x1 plus x2 by 2 is the midpoint. So A1, just listen students. Yeah, Somrik, a calculation mistake perhaps. So we have 1 plus A1 by 2 is equal to -1. So I get A1 as -3. 2 plus A2 by 2 is equal to, and similarly I'll get B1. 2 plus B1 by 2, it would be 1. So B1 is 0. Similarly, I do the process for C. So similarly, when I do the process for 3, why Prakash? Why you think the concept is a problem? Tell me. Prakash, Aniket, do you feel some problem in the concept? So then we calculate the formula for centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, very good Aniket. So this is the centroid formula. So once we have found out the coordinates of B and coordinates of C by the midpoint formula, this process, we could easily calculate by putting x1 as 1, this is a1 as -3, a2 as 3 upon 3, and hence I get 1 by 3. Similarly, y I get 2 y1, b1 that is 0, b2 is 4, this I calculated, and hence I got 2 plus 4 6 divided by 3 and I get 2. Okay, so the centroid would be 1 by 3 comma 2. Is it okay? So we get 1 by 3 comma 2 B as our option. I hope this is understandable to everyone. Yes, Mahesh. Yes, Ayush. Okay. Okay. Right. Now we go to the next question. I hope this is okay with everyone. Huh? Very good. Asif. Now let's go to the next question. Let's see what the next question says. The question is, thank you students. If the line 3x plus 4y minus 24 is equal to 0, intersects the x-axis at the point A and the y-axis at the point B, then the incenter of the triangle OAB, where O is the origin. Right. Now this is the question. This question was once asked in IIT JEE and you try to figure it out. It's a very good question in itself. So like Incenter, do we have a formula for Incenter, students? Yeah. Incenter formula is ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 upon a plus b plus c. And similarly, ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 upon a plus b plus c, where a, b, c are the sides opposite to the vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. These are the side lengths. Okay. So Rupam said it's A. Okay, let's see. And Shreya says it's B, 2, 2. Okay. What else? Prakash says B. Deepa says B. Okay, let's see what the answer is. Mahesh says B. Very good, students. You are good at calculation. Very good. Let's see how we figure this question out. Hai na? So the question is like, now although I have given you that formula, I also told you that formula, but how many of you do think that this formula would be applicable? The one which I gave? Yes, tell me, students. Raj says B. Okay, tell me how many of you think that this formula would be applicable which I gave? Yes, a student, I am waiting for your answer. Now listen. This line 3x plus 4y is equal to 24. है ना? So I find the x-intercept. That's how, by putting y is equal to 0. So I get x as 8. So this point being a 8 comma 0. है ना? Similarly, when I put x equal to 0, I get y-intercept, that is 6. So this point being 0 comma 6. Okay. Oh, you calculate wrong, Rupam. No worries. Please look at the answer. Look at the solution which I am showing you. Hai na? So the incenter is actually the center of the incircle. Do you realize that? So if I draw an incircle, it would be like this. Incircle is a circle which is touching all the three sides of the triangle internally. Hai na? Yes. So now we know that the distance of this center, whatever is the distance from the y-axis as well as x-axis, would be equal. So that means the center, that is, which is the incenter eventually, let us consider it as r comma r. I think I have, Okay. So that is R comma R. That is the center of the circle. Now its distance from the third side, which is this, would also be equal to R, which is the radius. Yes, students, are you able to understand? So the distance of the center of the circle to this line, the red one, is equal to R. So we will apply the distance formula. I hope you remember the distance formula. I mean the distance of a point from a line. So that is this point I'll put in this line, 3R plus 4R minus 24 modulus under root coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square, and this is eventually equal to R. Am I right? So now this goes 5. So this becomes 7R minus 24, and the modulus sign is also there and is equal to 5R. Okay? Now the modulus sign will open with a plus minus. So 7R minus 24 is equal to plus minus 5R. Once I'll take plus 5. So when I take plus 5, it goes this side, it becomes 2R. So R would become 12. And similarly, when minus is taken, so minus 5R is on the right hand side, it goes on the left hand side, it becomes 12R, and 24 goes on the right hand side. So R is 2. Now, thinking why we actually named it at 80 and 06. So 80 and 06 was required because if R is 12, then R would lie somewhere outside this line. So it cannot be the center of this circle. So R is equal to 2 would be the point which would be considered. So what would be the center? 2, 2. Am I right? So B answer is correct. Very good. So Ambika, you got B. Very good. Sarvesh also, you got B. 12 is not possible. Yes, Ambika, that's pretty fine. That's wonderful. So instead of using the Incenter formula, we made use of that this distance of a point from a line. Chalo. Right. Wonderful. Let's go to the next question. So student, the next question is, yes, Asif, read the next question. Consider the set of all lines Px plus Qy plus R is equal to 0 such that 3P plus 2Q plus 4R is equal to 0. Which one of the following statement is true? So I think you can make out the choices. There is one choice contains the concurrency, another which says it passes through origin, another which says the lines are parallel, the lines are not concurrent. So I give you again 1 minute to go with the answer. Senthil, you couldn't understand the previous question? Senthil? Senthil beta, try to understand that the distance of a point, oh my god, A, Shreya is A, Dilip says A, Murali Krishna says A, very good, Amit says A, Somrik says A, wonderful. So you all are with A, that's wonderful, really good. Hardik A, that's really brilliant attempt from all of you. The answer is of course A. Now I can do it in two ways, but one of the ways is simpler. So I would let you know the simpler way. One of the way, first of all, I'll tell you by which you might have done that. You reduce it into this form, L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. The first line plus a parameter into the line second is equal to 0. Raj, C is not the answer, son. Answer is A only. Yes, Jahnavi, you're right. So this is one of the way that you try to express either of these parameters PQR, let's say Q if I express it in R and P, and express it here, and then I convert this whole equation in this form. And then the point of intersection of L1 and L2 will give you the point of intersection of the concurrent lines. Okay. Now the other way, which is much better, we notice that Px plus Qy is plus R is equal to 0 is the expression given to us, I mean equation of the line given to us. Now if we reduce the given form in this form, then we'll be able to get very easily. R is without any coefficient, so I make the coefficient of R. Yes, Ambika, family of lines I'm talking. So R, 4R is there, so if I divide the whole equation by 4, then I'll get 3 by 4 P. I am dividing this equation by 4 plus 2 by 4 Q plus R is equal to 0. Am I right or wrong? Tell me. Very good. So 3 by 4 you have as a coefficient of P, Q has a coefficient of 1 by 2 eventually. 1 by 2. So we notice that if we put x equal to 3 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 2 in this equation, then we actually get the result which is already given to us. So what do we find? That these are all for different values of PQR, they will represent lines which pass through 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2. So they will all be considered as concurrent lines. So this is what we'll get. So it is a family of concurrent lines which passes through 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay. Somrik, you understood. Janvi, you gave me the right answer, I think. Somrik, you also gave me the right answer. Yes, very good, Aditi. Srujan, very good. Yeah. So, very well done. Let's go to the next question, So, next question, I think I just skipped one or two questions. Yeah, this one. So, first we'll go to this one. Okay. So, slope of a line passing through 2, 3 and intersecting the line x plus y is equal to 7 at a distance of 4 units from P is. Senthil, you said C is correct. No, I didn't say C is correct. In the previous question I said first one is correct. Senthil, A is true. Jacob, you are giving me the answer of this question. So, students, I hope you have read this question. Now, why C is wrong? What was C actually? C was the lines are all parallel. No, son, how the lines can be parallel? I mean, by putting different, you consider that Px plus Qy plus R is equal to 0 is there. So we have whatever PQR may take, different PQR will give me different lines. Is that right or wrong? So whenever different P and Q would be there, the slope would be minus P by Q. So for different PQ, different minus P by Q would be there. So different minus P by Q would be there, so different lines would be there. But they all will be such that they would satisfy x equal to 3 by 4 and y is equal to half. I hope you got it. Yes, you can answer me. So different slopes would be there, no? Different P and Q and R values are there. But they will definitely satisfy 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. I hope I answered you. Yes, Senthil? I hope I have answered you. Yeah, very good. Very good. Yeah, my pleasure, Senthil. So slope of a line passing through this point and intersecting. Yes, I am getting the answers. Everybody is saying A. Raj is saying A. Pratat is saying B, Amit is saying D. Okay, very good. Sai is saying B. Let's see how will we solve this. Now, okay, when we have a first look at this question, we realize that this question would be done by the parametric form, है ना? X minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta, है ना? Is equal to r, where r is given here as 4 and x1 y1 is the point which will x1 y1 is the point 2 3 and so on and so forth, and theta we'll find out that. But this is the not right approach for this question. Why? Because whenever through this method, parametric equation method, if you are supposed to find theta, then it becomes a difficulty. Whenever r is required, it is always useful to do it by parametric form. So here we'll do it by another way. Okay, so let's see what the answer is. I think B is the correct answer. Let's see. The line x plus y is equal to 7 is a line, and there is a point P 2, 3, है ना? And there is a line which goes like this, let us say, and this is the point P. Okay, and it intersects somewhere which I don't know. Let this point be. Now here is a very important technique which I am going to tell you. Let the point be A, 7 minus A. Do you understand that? I mean, suppose I put x as A, then y would be 7 minus A. Isn't that right? So this point I have told you, and the distance between this point, let's say this point is Q, and P is given to me as 4. So the distance formula comes to our rescue in this case, है ना बेटा? So we'll make use of 2 minus A. Okay, Aditi, the question is slope. Okay, Aditi, you couldn't be able to study the question properly. Please guide me. Okay, definitely, Aditi. The question says that we have to find the slope of this line, है ना? There is a line passing through P. It's only given there is a line passing through P. The P point is 2, 3, which intersects x plus y is equal to 7 at a distance of 4 unit. Okay, so this distance is given to us between point P and Q, and Q is the point of intersection with the line x plus y is equal to 7. Aditi, I hope you understood. So I am supposed to tell the slope of this line. Slope. Okay, Aditi, now you understand. Raj, you are able to figure it out what the question is? Please answer me, yes or no, y or n, so I'll be able to go further. So the question again, I just want to say that this is a line given. There is a line through P which intersects this line at a distance of 4. Raj, you understood? Okay, no, yeah, Narinder, you also understood. Please tell me, Aditi, you understood? And Raj, acha, you have given me the answer now, B, very good. So we have a line through P, okay, and this line through P intersects this line at a distance of 4. So 2 minus A, now you can look here, it's not difficult, 2 minus A whole square plus 3 minus 7 minus A, that would mean minus 4 plus A whole square. This is PQ, okay? Okay, Ayush, yes, I'm going ahead. So this is equal to 4, है ना? So we square both sides, so we get 2 minus A whole square plus A minus 4 whole square is equal to 16. So what do I get? A square and A square, I'll get 2A square. I'll get minus 4A from here and minus 8A from here. So I'll get minus 12A. and 4 and 16, 20. 16 will come from here, so 16 and 4, 20, so plus 4. Am I doing it correctly? Please let me know. Yeah. Okay, Jatin, I'm going fast. So 2, I'll divide it to 2 minus 6a plus 2 is equal to 0. So I'll solve it through b square minus 4ac method. So a is 6 plus minus b square, that is 36 minus 8, है ना, upon 2a, so that is 2. So that would be, I'll divide it by 2. 36 minus 8 is 26, 28. So 2 root 7, so 3 plus minus root 7, है ना. So I'll take one of the slope, 3 plus root 7, and I'll try to 3 plus root 7, 3 only I'll get now, minus b, so that is 6. 36 minus 4 is 28. So 2 root 7, 2 would go, 3 plus minus root 7. So if I take the one slope as 3 plus root 7 and I rationalize it, then what do I get? Root 7 minus 3 upon root 7 minus 3. So what do we get? 7 minus, 3 plus root 7 and 3 minus root 7 we are getting. So slope of a line passing through this. So what slope do we get? We get slope, we get a. So that is 3 plus root 7 if I take, है ना? So this would be 3 plus root 7, and this I'll take 4, 3 plus root 7 if I take, then a if I put it here, so I'll get 4 minus root 7, है ना? Now if I find the slope, what is the formula for slope, students? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, है ना? So same way, 3 minus this upon 2 minus this. So I'll get b as my answer. I'll just show you. 3 minus 4 plus root 7 upon 2 minus 3 minus root 7, है ना? Okay. Okay. So 2 minus. I hope you are able to figure it out. That's what I wanted to say you, that a, when I put this here, then I get this point q, है ना? Right? You put a here, you get q point. Once you get q point, then pq slope is obtained by this formula, and the answer is 1 minus root 7 upon 1 plus root 7. I hope you got it, students. Please ping me. Yes. Can you explain in the next page? Okay. Next page. Okay. I hope, yes, Aanchal, yes, Rishi, very good. Sir, how a value, sir, Senthil? By this, once I got this point Q, by putting the value of A as 3 plus root 7, then I can get it, है ना? Very good, Parvez. So let's go to the next question, We should be a little fast through it, okay. So this we got, and then we go to the next question. Just a moment. So let's go to the next question. This is the locus of the midpoints of the perpendiculars. The locus of the midpoints of the perpendiculars drawn from the points on the line x equal to 2y to the line x equal to y. Please read the question very careful. Acha, why another value is not taken y, sir? That's a very valid question, Asif. I'll answer it in a moment. Okay. So the locus of the midpoint of the I tell you, if you even take the other slope, then you'll get a point which will make an isosceles triangle with the line given. Okay, are you listening, Asif? So in that case, again we are going to get the same slope. I mean a different slope, but the reciprocal of that. Okay. So I'll show you in this diagram. When I'll come to this question, then I'll show you the diagram. Okay. So the locus of the midpoints of the perpendicular is drawn from the points on the line x equal to 2y to the line x equal to y. So please read it carefully. It's a locus question. Locus are very I mean things which for example, if 5 questions are being asked in coordinate geometry, then 3 questions out of 5 questions would be from locus itself in IIT JEE. Okay, so you should be very careful about locus questions, and your techniques, your ability to solve the locus question should be very high. So okay, I want answers from everyone. Yes, students. Do you see? There are 2 lines which are given. From one of the lines, that is x equal to 2y, perpendiculars are drawn to C. You are getting, huh? Wonderful. C or D. I don't remember the answer, but it is either of C or D. Okay, very good. Let's see. Very good. Senthil, Shreya, C. Okay. Yes, Tarun. Hi, hello. Somrik C, Amit C, very good. Sanskriti C, Krishna C. Okay, wonderful. So let's see how do we do. So we are given 2 lines, है ना? What happened? We are given 2 lines. Just a moment. Explain in neat way, sir. Definitely, Pawar, I'll try to do it. Yes, beta. Yes, I'll definitely do. This is creating a little bit of... I'll decrease the thickness first of all. Yeah. So we have one line like this. The local x and y axis. Excuse me, there is again technical error. Thank you, Asif. Thank you. There is a technical snag, I think, again. Sorry, students. This is just not coming up. Can technical team can come to my rescue? Thank you, Senthil. Why this is not standing? Just a moment. I'm not able to get it. Okay. Yes, now it is okay. Just a moment. Thank you, students. Thanks for your support. Thank you, Amit. Thank you, Ayush. So let's go ahead with this. Yeah. So the rubber is just a moment. There are technical error. Just a moment, son. From the technical team, can they help me? Shujan. Yeah, just a moment. This is not coming. Uh, from the technical team, can somebody come and help me? Just a moment. Sorry, students, I'm taking your time. Just- yes, Tarun, we'll discuss about the next math session in the last, है ना बेटा? We'll discuss about it. Just a moment. Please open my audio. Yeah. Hello, students. I'm back. Sorry for the technical snag. And the screen. Yeah. Now we come back. Yes. Now that's the way. I hope you didn't waste your time and you did something very important in this time as well. So you try to like it. Right. Now listen. There's a question on locus, so we'll do it very, and I'll try to be more. I'll decrease the thickness. Just a moment, students. Yeah, that would be better. And this, okay. So now, students, this is y-axis. This is x-axis. As you notice that these lines that y is equal to x and y is equal to x by 2, they pass through origin, है ना? They pass through origin. So let's say this is one of the lines and this is the other line. Okay, this line is, let us say, x is equal to 2y, and this line is, let us say, y is equal to x. Okay, so it is being said that the perpendicular is drawn from points on the line x equal to 2y. Whenever the question is bigger, I mean lengthier or very confusing in the words, you should always consider it. I mean, you can break the parts. So from points on the line x equal to 2y, so we take a point from the line x equal to 2y. Let's say that is a point P, है ना? We make perpendicular to the line x equal to y. So we make a line perpendicular to it. Okay. So that's the line perpendicular to it. And let's say this point is Q. So what we are supposed to find? Locus of the midpoint, है ना? So locus of the midpoint, the midpoint is this. Let's say I call the midpoint as M, and the locus I want to find out, let me take it as XY, है ना? Or maybe HK. Generally we take the locus point as HK. Am I right or wrong? Tell me. So a point on P would be considered as 2A comma A. Am I right or wrong? Tell me. 2A comma A, है ना? So first of all, what we'll do, we'll try to find the point Q, है ना? So how to find point Q? Tell me. Q point is the point of intersection of the line perpendicular to y is equal to x and the line y is equal to x itself. So a line perpendicular to y is equal to x would be y is equal to minus x plus c. Am I right or wrong? Tell me. Are you able to understand? Yes, Asif. Okay. So y is equal to minus x plus c is a line perpendicular to y is equal to x. How do I find y is equal to minus x plus c? Array, a line is y is equal to mx plus c. Am I right or wrong? Tell me. है ना? So m is the slope of the line and slope of the line here is 1. So a line perpendicular to it would be minus 1 because m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. है ना? So if slope of a line is 1, so perpendicular line slope is minus 1. And c I'll have to add as a constant because there are so many lines perpendicular to it. So I have to give a parameter to it. So y is equal to minus x plus c is a line perpendicular to it. I'm eventually trying to find the equation of PQ. Okay. Now since this line PQ is passing through 2AA, है ना? Beta 2AA, Senthil, if you take y as A, then x would be 2A. That's how. Senthil, I hope you understand. Yes, answer me. Y you take as A, so x would be 2A. So any point on this line would be 2A comma A. Is it okay, Senthil? So I'm waiting for you, Senthil. Please answer me. Yes. Gyanvi Sharma, you have come to my rescue. Thanks. So I took y is equal to A, so x would be 2A. Similarly, that's what you have said. So C, how would I find? Since it passes through P, it would be A minus 2A plus C. है ना? Plus C. So C, what do I get? C I get as 3A. Okay. So what is the equation of the line PQ? PQ line would be x plus y is equal to 3A. Am I right? So C I have substituted as 3A. So that's the equation of PQ. I hope this is okay with you. I hope students, you all are listening with full concentration. Am I right or wrong? Tell me. And the line y is equal to x, I need to find the point of intersection. This I'm doing it to find the point Q. है ना? So x would go and y would be equal to 3A by 2. Am I right? That's the line y is equal to x, 3A by 2. So x would eventually be equal to 3A by 2. है ना? This is the point Q. Now once I find x and y, yes, very good Naren, Sujan, very good, Amit, good. Sarvesh, you are saying, sir, perpendicular is from x equal to 2y, not from x equal to y. I did it wrong. From points on the line x equal to 2y. So I am making a point on this and perpendicular to the line y is equal to x. I have done it right only, beta. It's my pleasure, Gyanvi. So the point is on x equal to 2y. Am I right or wrong? Tell me. Drawn from points on the line x equal to 2y to the line x equal to y. So the perpendicular is being drawn to x equal to y. Isn't that right? है ना? Sarvesh, please see it again. It's in the question itself that the point should be taken from x equal to 2y and it should be, the perpendicular should be dropped to x equal to y. Okay? Yes, very good. So we got the point Q, we got the point P, so we can get the point M, which is the locus point. So x I'm taking instead of h. Q is, the x coordinate is 3a by 2 plus the x coordinate of P is 2a divided by 2. Am I right? Very good. So what do we get? 2 to the 4, 7a. 7a by 4. So x I'm getting as 7a by 4. Am I right, students? Similarly, y, what do I get? 3a by 2 plus a. 3a by 2 plus a divided by 2. So I do it here only so that you don't get confused. 3a by 2 plus a. That's the y coordinate on the P divided by 2. So what do we get? 2, 3, 5. 5a by 4. Am I right? Very good. Now this you consider as equation 1. This you consider as equation 2. You divide equation 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 2. What do you get? You get 4 and 4 would be cancelled. A and A would be cancelled. So x by y is equal to 7 by 5. So I'll get 5x is equal to 7y. Am I right? So I'll get 5x is equal to 7y. Isn't that right? It's again 5x is equal to 7y. So this is C part. Is this okay with everyone? Yes, I want answers from you. The answer is C. I get answer as C. Now again there is a problem coming in. Please will you help? Technical side, y is equal to 7y. 5x equal to 7y. Yeah, it's again vanishing. So please help me. Yes, very good Shreya, very good Senthil. Amit good, Sai good, Ambika very good. Yes, again there is a small problem. Yes, Anchal very good. Sanskriti very good. Yes, Senthil, you could understand it. Sun. Yeah, Mohit good. Somrik good. Srujan good. Ayush. X plus y is equal to 3a. How? Okay, Ayush. I'll come again. Beta, the line is equal to y is equal to mx plus c or not? Ayush. Till the time they are doing it the correction. So this is the line. This is the line which we are referring to. Y is equal to mx plus c. Now this line we want to find c. Isn't that right? And to find c, we will substitute some point which lies on this line. So PQ satisfies 28A. Yes, Ayush. Now you understand. Very good. So 2AA, when I substituted it here, I got the value of C as 3A. Is it okay, Ayush? Yes. So 2A goes there on the left hand side, it becomes 3A. Any other questions, student? Yes, thank you, Ambika. Yes, very good, Ayush. You got it. Anyone else who has a problem? Dilip? C, yes, you're right. Parvez? Good. So C is the right answer. Let's come to the next question. Is everybody ready? Okay with it? Senthil, tell me. Chalo, I'll give the next question to other person and I'll explain you. Hai na, Senthil? Don't worry. Tell me. Next question, please. Okay. Very good, Senthil. Yes, next question is, if in a parallelogram ABDC, please mind it, whenever you read a question and there is something special, you do go ahead with whatever there is a special, you underline it. ABDC, not CD. The coordinates of ABC are respectively 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 5. Then the equation of the diagonal AD is. So go ahead, students. Parallelogram is there and 3 vertices are given and you are being asked the equation of a diagonal. Senthil, we are supposed to do 9 questions today. So I think we are done with 5 questions, I think 5 or 6 questions. Little bit of technical snag was there, that's why we became late. Otherwise we'll try to close. I think, yeah, 3 or 4 questions are left. We'll go quickly, huh? Actually, because of technical snag, we became little slow, so we'll go. So 4 questions are more there. Okay. Okay. Shreya, you got the answer A. Okay, very good. Very good, very good. Sai, you got A. Amit, you got A. Somrik, you got A. Hardik. Okay. Hardik, tell me. Sanskruti, A. Hardik also got A. Yeah, Shreya. Yes. So we come to the solution. Okay. So I think there is a parallelogram. I think this is comparatively easier to the rest of the questions. So this is A, this is B, this is B and this is C. Hai? This would be a slight difference. Very good. Ajit, Sujay, Prakash, A again. Yes. So A vertex is what? 1, 2. B vertex is 3, 4. And C vertex is 2, 5. Hai? And we are being asked the equation of AD. So if we calculate BC midpoint, then it would lie on AD. Isn't that right? Yes, Tarun. A is the right answer. So the midpoint of BC would be 3 plus 2 by 2, that is 5 by 2. And 5 plus 4, 9, 9 by 2. Hai? So to find out the equation of AD, we have point A with us. We have found this midpoint with us. Midpoint is there. Yes, Ayush, A is correct. Let's check it out. So we make use of 2-point form. Hai? Are you all listening? 2-point form of the line. What's that? Y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is how we will do. Yes, Senthil, A, very good. Somrik, yes, A. So 2-point form is there. 1 point is this, 1 point is this. We write y minus y. I'll take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So y minus 2 upon x minus 1 is equal to 9 by 2 minus 2 upon 5 by 2 minus 1. Hai? What do we get? Y minus 2 upon x minus 1 is equal to 5, 2 to the 4, 5. 2 and 2 would cancel in the denominators. So 9 minus 4 and this is 3. Hai? So what do we get? We get 5. We get 3x. Sorry, I should rub it. Hai? So we get 3y minus 6 is equal to 5x minus 5. So we get 5x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Perfect, students. A is the right answer. Yes, very good. Let's go to the next question quickly. I hope everybody understood. Anybody in a problem? So we go to the next question. So what's that? Let C be the centroid of the triangle. Yes, there will be a mock test, no doubt about this. Yes, Amit. Let C be the centroid of the triangle with vertices. So 3 vertices are given. 3 minus 1, 1, 3 and 2, 4. Let P be the point of intersection of this line. So P is the point of intersection of, there are 2 given lines. What are those? X plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, and 3x minus y is equal to 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then the line passing through the point C and P also passes through the point. Okay. So how would you do it? Mohit, you got the answer as A. Senthil, what happened? No more. One more time, please. Previous question. Okay, Senthil, I'll explain. In the previous question, while other students, you should go ahead, or yeah, you can go in the link in the description. Yeah, that also you can do. Or otherwise, Senthil, I'll explain you. That's not at all difficult. You try to understand that. And the students, the rest of the students, you go ahead with the question, this question. So we were supposed to find the diagonal equation of it, AD. So 2-point form, are you aware of, Senthil? Senthil, are you aware of 2-point form? Senthil, I am waiting for your answer. Are you aware of 2-point form of line? Yes, very good. So in 2-point form of line, we require 2 points which should be present on the line. है ना? One point is A, which is already given to us. Another point I get by the point of intersection of B and C, the midpoint of B and C, because diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So the midpoint of BC would lie on midpoint of AD. Okay, Senthil? I hope you are okay with it. Dilip, you got the answer as A. A or B, I'm not pretty sure. I'll have to calculate. So let's see A or B, which one is that? Now you understand, Senthil? Very good. So we come to the solution, students? I hope everybody has done it now. So let's see be the centroid of the triangle. So let's find point C. Centroid of the triangle is 3 plus 1 plus 2 divided by 3 and minus 1 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 3, है ना? That is on the lines of x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Yes, Hardik, you also got A. Sanskriti A. Srujan, what happened? Yes, you are saying. So what do we get? 4 plus 2, 6, that is 2. And this we get 6, 7, 6 divided by 2. 3, that is 2. 2 comma 2, है ना? A. Arey, wow. So many A's we are getting. Ajit, very good. Shreya, Amit. So we get C as 2 comma 2. And another point we are getting to the point of intersection of these two lines, है ना? This line and this line. So we solve these two lines. X plus 3y is equal to 1 and 3x minus y is equal to minus 1. So what I do, I multiply this first equation by 3. So I get 3x plus 9y is equal to 3. है ना? This is 1. And I solve these two equations. How? By subtracting it. So 3x is gone. Minus y minus 9y is minus 10y. And this is minus 4. So what y I am getting? 2 by 5. है ना? This is the point of intersection. Yes, Ayush, Prakash. Okay, A point. So y I have got, I'll substitute it in the first equation itself to get x. So x equal to 1 minus 3y, or it would be 1 minus so 6y. So it would be minus 1 by 5, है ना? Here there is a problem. So x is equal to 1 minus 3 into 2 by 5, है ना? So it would be 5 minus 6 by 5, that is minus 1 by 5. So one of the point which I get through which the line passes is minus 1 by 5 and 2 by 5 है ना. So minus 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Perfect Ambika, thank you. So 2 2 and this, once again I'll make use of the 2-point form. So what equation I'll get? Can somebody help me? So we get y minus 2 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2 by 5 minus 2 upon minus 1 by 5 minus 2 है ना. I applied 2-point form. Yes Asif, you are getting B. Okay, let's see. So 5 to the 10, what do we get? 10, 5 would cancel. 5 to the 10 minus 8 है ना. And here I'll get 5 to the 10 minus 1 is minus 11. So minus would cancel, no doubt. So I'll get 11 by 8x, है ना. That's not going to cancel. So 8x minus 11y, है ना. This I'm going to get, and this would be minus 22, and this would be minus 16. So minus 22 would come on the right hand side, and minus 16 it will make it plus 6, है ना. That's right, I think, है ना. Okay, yes Yanvi, okay, B you are getting. So yeah, let's see which of the points satisfies it. B you are saying it, Yanvi. Let's see. Minus 9 into 8 would be minus 72, and minus 6 into minus 11 would be plus 66. Yes, perfect. This gives me the correct answer. I'll one by one put the points. I'll see which one will satisfy. So that is point B which I am getting, है ना. Point B which I am getting. So point B is the right answer. Okay. Yes, Ajit. Thank you. So I hope everybody understood this question. Any problems? Let's go to the next question. Hello Naren. Yes. Tell me. Ayush, you understood? Yeah. Very good. B. So we go to the next question. I think 2-3 questions are more remaining. We'll finish it fast. So let's go to this next question. है ना? Okay. Okay, let A is 1 0, B is 6 2, and C is 3 by 2 6 be the vertices of a triangle ABC. Okay, if P is a point inside the triangle ABC such that the triangles APC, APB and BPC have equal areas, then the length of the line segment PQ, where Q point is given as minus 7 by 6 and minus 1 by 3. No problem, Somrik. Solve it very with a cool and calm in your mind, and you'll be able to get the right answer. Okay, Chalo ji. Next, what do we do? Students, answer to me this question. Where is the point existing in the triangle which, when joined by the vertices of the triangle, divide the triangle into 3 equal areas? Which is that point? Can somebody answer me? Yes, please. Which is that point from which, if I draw the vertices to that point, that lines, it would divide the triangle into 3 equal areas. Equal areas triangle. Yes, दिव्या शंकर, मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बोलूंगा बीच में. ऐसा पॉइंट बताइए ट्राइंगल में. यस अंबिका, वेरी गुड. सेंट्रॉइड. No, Dilip, it is not Incenter. Incenter is a point inside the triangle which is equidistant from all the 3 lines. Okay, yes, Ayush, Centroid, very good. Jay Harini, Centroid, yes. Somrik, Centroid, very good. Amit, Centroid, very good. So let's go to the solution. I think, I hope you please solve it. Then I go to the next question. Solving in the question. Krishna, I cannot speak in Telugu. Yes, Ajit, Centroid, right answer. Please give me the answer to this question. Sanskriti, you got the first answer. Okay, B you are getting, huh? 5. I think this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer only. Let's check it. Anyone else who is coming up with an answer? The question is there with in front of you. Ayush, you are also saying B. Ayush Bhavasar. Okay, Amit B. Ayush Bhavasar, answer is 5. Perfect. Shreya, you also got the right answer, 5. Very good. So you have to understand, students, that centroid is a point. If I draw medians, please answer to me this question as well. Okay, I am again in a problem now. Yes, technical people, please help me. B, yes, yes, very good. Senthil, B also you got. Hardik, B, wonderful, wonderful. I am very happy that you got the right answer. Very good, Ambika. Very good, Ajit. Very good, Hardik. So please, technical people, come to my rescue. There is again some problem here. Yes, thank you. Just a moment, students. I think next time there won't be any technical snags. I presume so. Integration also we'll do, Senthil. No doubt about that. We'll definitely do. Yes, Mohit. B is the answer. Krishna, B is the answer. Perfect. Perfect. So let me come to the solution quickly. Most of you have done it correctly. So here is, and I'll give you one in. No, I'm not getting it, sir. Please help me again. No, it's not coming, sir. Yes, Sanskriti, B is the answer. Perfect. Please help me, technical people, background. Yeah, refresh. Okay. Hardik, yeah, few questions are there. Let me finish my lecture because of technical snags in between. I'm getting delayed. Yes, Achal, centroid is perfect. Achha, by the way, students, centroid is one of those points which, if I join the median from end to end, from the vertex to the other side of the triangle, then we get actually 6 triangles which divide the triangle into equal areas. 6 triangles. Are you all aware of that? So centroid is the point. What is the centroid? It is the point of concurrency of the medians. Senthil, my name is Parth Rastogi. So we get P. P is the point, now. P is a point inside the triangle. So this is the centroid. We calculate quickly. We'll calculate the centroid. 1 plus 6 plus 3 by 2 divided by 3. This would be the x coordinate of the triangle, and 0 plus 2 plus 6 divided by 3. So what point do we get P as? 6 to the 12, 3, 15, 5 by 2. Please correct me, students, if I'm wrong. Yes, Asif, I told you my name, Parth Rastogi. Okay. 17 by 6 we are getting. Ambika. 6 to the 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Acha, 1 is also there. Sorry. Yeah. I did a mistake. 7. 14, 17 by... Yeah, you're right. Thank you, Ambika. 17 by 6 and 8 by 3. Yeah. 17 by 6 and 8 by 3. I just overlooked this one. Okay, Amit. Yeah. So 6 plus 1, 7, 14. 14, 3, 17 by 6. Okay, so P point we got, and then Q point is given to us as 3 by 2, 6. I need to get PQ. So again, distance formula we'll make use of. So what do we get? 17 by 6 minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 6 minus 8 by 3 whole square. Asif, you didn't understand, beta? Why? You listen, Asif, once again. That centroid is the point which divide the triangle into equal areas. I tell you which are the triangles which are of equal area. This is one triangle, APB. its triangle area, this would be equal to APC, and this triangle area would be equal to PBC. Okay, you understand? Yeah, you understand, Asif? These three triangle areas, this triangle, and this triangle, their areas are equal. Okay, so what do we get here? We get 317, 3 are 9 minus 9 by 6. So what do we get? So whole square, and then we get 6 3 18, 10 by 3 whole square, है ना? So what do we get? 6, this 8 by 6. 8 by 6 means 4 by 3. So we'll get 5. Yeah, Asif, you understood, huh? So we'll get 5 out of it if you calculate it properly, है ना? So we get 5 as the answer. I hope calculation we can little bit skip as of now because we are falling short of time. You have to take point Q. No, I didn't take point Q. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Q point is minus 7 by 6. Thanks, beta. Once again, thanks. 7 by 6, 17 by 6 and minus. So it will become plus 7 by 6 and 6, 8 by 3. 6 instead of 6, it would be minus 1 by 3. Okay, perfect. Yes. P to Q. Yes, thanks. Okay, just a slight mistake, students. It can be, yeah. So it is distance between P and Q, है ना? Okay. So I'll do the correction. 17 by 6, that is this point, minus 7 by 6, so it will become plus 7 by 6, and 8 by 3 is minus and minus 1 by 3. Okay, minus. So we'll get the answer 4 square plus 3 square, that's 5. Okay, perfect. Can't understand why C is taken. Yes, J, I did a mistake, sorry. Yeah, sir, Q coordinate is wrong. Why Q coordinate is wrong? Okay, now I did the correction now. Yeah, that's fine. So we'll get 5. Okay, B is the answer. I mistakenly write C, son and daughters. I mistakenly wrote it. Now come to the next question. Tharun, you can't understand why? What happened? Mohit, yeah, next question. I'll explain you once again, just a moment. I was supposed to answer what is the distance between P and Q. P was a centroid. Why a centroid? Because centroid is actually a point which divides. Yeah. Yes, Ayush. Yeah. Okay. So we go to the next question. I'll come back to you, Tharun. Just a moment. Let 0, 0 and 0, 1 be two fixed points. Then the locus of a point P such that the parameter of triangle AOP is 4. Okay, Tharun, you got it. Very good. So please do this question again, students. It's a locus question. So two of the points of the triangle are given, and the third point is a locus point itself. So it is a moving point, but the one of the constraint which is given is that the perimeter is 4. So you have to find the locus of the point. Okay, go ahead. So students, yeah, parameter means, Ayush, parameter is something which is in between a variable and a constant. Think it in this way. Anchal, what you are saying, root 7. Root 7 is what, beta? So try to understand. Listen. Suppose you write a quadratic equation as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now tell me, what is x square, what is x in it, and what is abc in it? Tell me, Ayush, what is the difference between abc of a quadratic equation and x in the quadratic equation? Yeah, it is perimeter. Yeah, no, not parameter. Oh, acha, that's what you guys are asking. Sorry, it's a mistake here. Printed mistake is there. It is perimeter. It's a printed mistake. Hello, everyone. Listen, it is perimeter. C you are getting, Shreya. Very good. It's a perimeter. That's the perimeter. I thought you were asking about, A is a coefficient. No, son, coefficient is okay, but it's a parameter. While x is a variable. Sanskriti, you got C. Hardik, okay, now you get it. Such that the perimeter of triangle AOP is 4. You'll be able to get it. Little calculative this question is. Somrik, you got C. I hope I could answer you that. You know? It should be C. Okay, let's check it out. So we have this length of the triangle, length of the sides of the triangle. This is the triangle sides. This is 0, 0. This is O. A is 0, 1, and the locus point is, let us say, anywhere. It is P. You know? And this point I'll take it as xy. Okay. Shreya, you are getting B. Sharat, you are getting C. Okay. So let's see. What's the perimeter? Perimeter would be the length AO plus OP plus AP. Hai? That length is given to me as 4. So I'll make use of distance formula. AOA I can easily get, that is 1. OP would be the distance formula I'll apply, x square plus y square. That is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 square. Amit, you are getting C. Zoom please. Sanskriti is C. And what is the distance between AP, that is P and A? That would be x square plus y minus 1 whole square. Am I right? And that is given to us as 4. Hai? Asif, you are getting B. Okay. Amit, you are also getting, you are getting C, Amit. Hai? Shreya, you have already told me you are getting B. So 1 and 4 will cancel with 3. 3 would come. I'll keep this on this side. Hai? X square plus y minus 1 whole square, and 3 minus under root x square plus y square. I'll take it on the other side. And I'll again do the squaring. Very good. You guys are good. Raj, you are getting C. Somrik, you are getting C. So we'll get x square plus y minus 1 whole square. So that is y square minus 2y plus 1. That's equal to 9 plus x square plus y square. Hai? Minus 6. That is 2ab. So minus 6 under root x square plus y square. Am I right? So x square would cancel, y square would cancel. 9 I'll take it on the other side. It will become minus 8. I'll cancel it by minus 2. So I'll get y plus 4 is equal to 3 bracket x square plus y square. Say if any calculation mistake I have done. So minus 2 I cancel it. 9 when I took it here, it became minus 8. So minus 2, so it become y plus 4. I do the squaring both sides. है ना? So what do I get? I get y square plus 8y plus 16 is equal to 9x square plus 9y square, है ना? So I got the locus, है ना? That is the locus, 9x square, and y square I'll take it on this side, so it will become 8y square and minus 16, है ना? Minus 8y is equal to 16. That is the answer. So that happens to be the C answer, है ना? Sorry, B. I spoke it wrong. B is the answer, है ना? Okay. So B is the right answer. We got it. I think there is one last question. I hope you are keeping patience with me. I hope you enjoyed this. You enjoyed this question as well. This is the last question. No, this was the last question, I think. So, yeah, it is B. Yes, Shreya, you got the right answer. You spoke it correctly only. Sharat, B is the right answer. Yes. So, today with ending of this session, yes, Prakash. Today with the ending of this session, I hope you all understood what I tried to explain you. I'm sorry it took a little long to finish the session, but I think you got it perfectly. A little wait is worthwhile. So there was a little bit of technical snag. Next class, next class would be at 7 tomorrow, 7 p.m. tomorrow. Will that be okay? Or maybe 8 would be okay? 8 would be okay? Thanks, Ayush. Yes, Prakash. Thank you. So 8 p.m. would be okay. Please give me your node. 8 p.m. tomorrow. Yes, Prakash, you say yes. Sharat, I'm saying 8 p.m. tomorrow. Next session. Is it okay? 8 p.m. 8 in the evening. It's okay. 7 p.m. No, 8. 8 would be. Acha. Ambika, you say 7. Jacob, you say 7. 8 p.m. tomorrow is okay? No, 7. Ambika, you say 7, huh? Okay, 7 p.m. What happened, Ayush? Yeah, even I was confused with the position of B and C, Amit. B was at the position of C, so a little bit confused. Yeah. So 7 is better. Okay, so tomorrow at 7 p.m. we will keep the class. Okay? Yes, Gyanvi? Sanskriti, okay? Sharat, okay? Yeah, we'll keep it at 7, Prakash. Prakash and Niket, we'll keep it at 7. 7 p.m. is okay tomorrow then. Yes, coordinate geometry we'll continue. We'll continue with coordinate geometry. Yeah, 7 p.m. okay. Yeah, 7 p.m. is okay. Shavani Jadhav, why? Ambika, sir, you said family of lines. Coordinate geometry circle would be the next session. Okay. Yes, 7 p.m. fixed. Yeah, that's fine. Yes, Prakash. 7 p.m. Okay. I think I should end the session. So, best of luck, students. Yeah. Yes, Asif. 7 p.m. is right. I fixed this time. Okay. Okay, Somrik. You have physics class at 6 tomorrow. Just a moment. Yeah, students, if you like, you can subscribe the session, है ना? So, thank you, Ambika. It's my pleasure only. Tarun, okay. 7:30. No, 7 is okay. Everybody is agreeing on 7. I'm not pretty sure of. Sharanvi, it's okay, right? Okay. Thanks for the today's session. Okay, students, thank you for listening me. Thanks, and you can like and you can subscribe to this video. Thank you. Thank you. Sir, I am off this session or not?